In this video, you will learn how to isolate a water leak. First, let's go to the water meter. Notice that the leak detector on the meter is spinning. If you know that you are not using water inside and outside the home, and the leak detector is spinning, you have a potential leak. Now, let's try to isolate the water leak. First, let's shut off the water supply going to the interior of the house and to the irrigation system. Look for a shutoff valve close to where the main water supply line enters your home. Look for a shutoff valve that supplies your irrigation system. By shutting these valves off, we are now isolating the main water line that goes from the water meter to the home. Go back to the meter and see if the leak detector is still moving. If it stops moving, you know that you do not have a leak on your main water line. Now, turn on the water supply going to the home and go check the leak detector again. Notice that the leak detector on the meter is spinning. This shows that you have a leak somewhere inside the home. Now, let's make sure to double check for leaks in the irrigation system. Turn off the water supply to the home. Turn on the water supply to the irrigation system. Now, go back to the meter, and if it's not spinning, then you know there is no leak in the irrigation system. I hope this video was helpful in showing you how to isolate a water leak.